Do you want to be a confident English speaker? Is it been a long time that you are studying English but still feel uncomfortable while speaking in English? Good news, Brazilians! For the first time in Brazil, we are conducting public speaking trainings in English to improve your English speaking skills, to be an effective communicator, and to be a confident and fluent English speaker forever. Workshop outcomes: overcome stage fear, overcome nervousness and shyness speaking in public in English, effective storytelling, voice modulation, body language and gestures, eye connection, and most importantly, learn awesome presentation skills. 2 days of intensive practical public speaking training with lots of tools and techniques on 5th and 6th of October. 16 hours of learning in the heart of São Paulo, Avenida Paulista. So what are you waiting for? Please check our website and call to this number. 60% discount as a special offer. See you soon. Cheers.